Paper clips to the rescue. Ever get tired of holding your phone? Watching videos is hard that way. Your hand gets tired. You just want to relax. Well, guess what? You can make a phone stand. It's super easy. All you need are paper clips. Paper clips are like magic. They are good for so many things. Holding papers together is just the start. Today we're using them to hold up your phone. Get ready for a fun project. It only takes 2 minutes. This is a great project for anyone. You don't need to be crafty. You don't need special tools. Just grab some paper clips and let's get started. Tiny but mighty. Paper clips are perfect for this project. They are small but strong. They can hold up your phone easily. Plus, they are easy to bend. You can shape them into a stand. Paper clips are also really cheap. You probably already have some. No need to buy anything. This project is budget friendly and fun. We're going to use 2 paper clips for this project. That's it. 2 tiny paper clips can hold up your phone. Amazing, right? Ready to make your own phone stand? Great! First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need 2 paper clips and your phone. That's it. See, I told you it was easy. Now let's move on to the fun part, building the stand. Now let's make that phone stand. First, bend the first paper clip. Unfold one end of the paper clip completely. You want it to be straight. This will be the base of your stand. Next, bend the second paper clip. Take your second paper clip and bend it in half. This creates a V shape. This will be the support for your phone. Now connect the paper clips. Hook the bent V shape onto the straight end of the first paper clip. Adjust the angle of the V to fit your phone. And that's it. You did it. You made your own phone stand. Place your phone on the stand. Now you can watch videos hands-free. Want to personalize your phone stand? Go for it. You can use colorful paper clips. You can even decorate them. Add some washi tape or stickers. Try different sizes of paper clips. Bigger paper clips can hold bigger phones or tablets. Get creative and have fun with it. Congratulations, you're a DIY master. You made a phone stand with just 2 paper clips. Use it to watch videos, make video calls, or even just as a cute desk accessory. This simple hack is a great reminder that you don't need fancy gadgets to make life easier. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. Now go forth and enjoy your hands-free phone time.